Are you running into the dreaded insufficient VRAM error in God of War Ragnarok? Well, don't worry, I've got you covered with some practical fixes to get the game running smoothly. The first thing you want to do is check how much VRAM you actually have. So you want to run the run dialog. Now after you've done this, type in dxdig, press enter, hit yes, and it will check how much VRAM you have right here. Okay, you need at least 6 gigs of VRAM to run this game, so make sure you have that. If you do not have that, then this game will simply not run. If you do have that, let's move on to method number 2. Method number 2 is to reduce the graphic settings in the game. You want to reduce the resolution, reduce texture, etc, 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 of course. Method number 3, you want to do the VRAM requirement mod. I'll put a link into this video description, but this is a mod that will basically spoof whatever graphics card you have to these graphics cards. You want to hit the files tab here, and you want to download it. So this is not what graphics card you currently have, but what graphics card you want to spoof. So you simply download this and install this into whatever file, whatever folder your God of War Ragnarok executable is located in. The next method is to disable third-party software. So you want to basically uninstall any unnecessary software. To do this, you want to go into services and basically turn off any software or services that you would find not helpful, or go into task manager, do the same, sort by memory, find which processes are running that are taking the most memory, right click on it and say end task, and see if that helps. Method number 4 is to turn off the Steam overlay. This takes a lot of memory actually. To do this, open Steam, click on the top left, click on settings. Now you want to go to in-game settings, and you want to uncheck the enable the Steam overlay while in game. And after you've done that, launch the game to see if this solved your problem. If it did, leave the video a like. If it didn't solve the problem, leave the video a comment and I will do my best to help you.